In the heart of Southeast Asia, a billion-dollar industry begins with a single croak.
These aren't ordinary frogs. They're bred specifically for their premium skin quality.
Each frog is harvested at peak maturity, when skin texture reaches perfection. Timing is everything. Wait too long, and the skin loses its commercial value.
One pond produces hundreds of frogs, but only the best specimens move forward.
The journey from pond to luxury product starts with careful selection.
Not every frog makes the cut. Skin quality is...
Skin must be flawless. No scars, no discoloration, no irregularities.
Weight determines value. Premium skins come from frogs between 300 and 400 grams.
Only grade A frogs proceed to the processing facility. The rest return to breeding. The grading process ensures only million-dollar quality skins reach luxury manufacturers. From farm to factory, a race against time to preserve perfection. Each truck carries up to 5,000 frogs, representing hundreds of thousands in raw material value. The cold chain must never bray. Every degree matters for skin integrity. Secured and ready, the next stop is 40 kilometers away. The farm's work is done. Now the factory's precision begins.
40 kilometers of humidity and heat, while inside, it stays a perfect 4 degrees. Drivers monitor cargo temperature every 15 minutes. Any spike triggers an alert.
This facility processes 500,000 frog skins per month, feeding the world's luxury market. The factory's precision machinery awaits. But first, human eyes inspect everything.
This is where nature's material becomes art for the world's elite.
Welcome to the production floor, where precision meets scale.
6 simultaneous lines processing 10,000 frogs per shift.
Understood.
Constant communication ensures the line never stops moving.
Rapid cooling stuns humanely. Skin quality depends on stress-free processing. 90 seconds in ice, enough to ensure stillness without damaging tissue. Master processors work in pairs, 15 seconds per frog. First wash removes 90% of contamination. 3 more washes await.
Human eyes catch what machines miss. Every imperfection means value loss.
AI vision analyzes 47 quality parameters in milliseconds.
Only 30% achieve grade A. These command triple the price. Secondary cleaning uses enzymatic solutions, tough on residue, gentle on skin. 15 minutes of gentle agitation, removing what pressure washing cannot.
Computer-controlled chemistry, pH and temperature within 0.1 degree tolerance.
Clean but fragile, skins now move to pH-neutral rinse.
pH 7.0 precisely. Any variance risks chemical damage to collagen structure. Industrial air knives, 99% water removal without touching the skin.
Double inspection. Only perfect skins advance to transformation.
Cleaned skins rest for 12 hours. Relaxation improves final leather quality. 20,000 skins resting in controlled conditions. Tomorrow, they transform.
The tanning room, where raw skin becomes permanent leather.
Chrome-free tanning, meeting luxury market environmental standards.
Each drum processes 2,000 skins in vegetable tanning solution.
Round-the-clock operation. While one batch tans, another prepares.
Precise timing, 5 minutes too long, and skins become brittle.
Tanning solution recycled 20 times. Environmental efficiency and cost control.
Three-stage rinse removes excess tannins, preparing for softening. No longer skin, now leather, preserved indefinitely. Tanned but stiff, next comes the softening that makes luxury possible. The bridge between preservation and luxury, mechanical and chemical softening. Natural fish oils penetrate leather fibers, flexibility without compromising strength.
5, 6, 7.
6 hours of rotation, oils migrate deep into the leather structure.
As oils penetrate, transformation occurs. Stiff leather becomes supple.
Feel the difference. Ripped leather now bends like fabric.
Excess oil recovered and recycled. Nothing wasted in luxury production.
From chemistry to machinery, where leather gains its final character.
Staking breaks remaining stiffness. Thousands of microflexes soften fibers. 10,000 impacts per minute. Controlled violence creates luxury softness.
The breakthrough moment. Leather transforms into workable luxury material.
Precision sorting, thickness variations determine final product applications.
Thin for wallets, medium for accessories, thick for shoes. Each thickness has its destiny. Buffing removes surface irregularities, creating the perfect canvas for finishing.
Surface perfection verified, now ready for color and final finish. Color choice determines market. Black commands premium. Exotic colors even more.
988, 9100.
Aniline dyes penetrate deep. Color becomes permanent within hours.
Slow rotation ensures uniformity. Every millimeter must be identical color.
Midnight black, the color of luxury in every market.
Rinse until water runs clear. Unfixed dye means customer complaints. Controlled drying prevents shrinkage. Temperature and humidity precisely managed.
Color must match under any lighting. Daylight, evening, ultraviolet, all tested.
Final protection layer. Top coat seals color and adds luxury sheen. 6-micron thickness. Thin enough to flex. Thick enough to protect for decades. 90 seconds at 80 degrees. Instant cure. Permanent finish.
Central Control monitors 50,000 data points per second across the facility.
Where technology meets craftsmanship, computer precision for maximum yield.
Every natural irregularity mapped. Software optimizes cut patterns in real time. 3D mapping identifies every flaw, maximizing usable material from each skin.
Artificial intelligence tests 50,000 pattern combinations in seconds.
Oscillating blade cuts 30 layers deep, perfectly straight lines impossible by hand. Wallet components, watch straps, phone cases, all cut to exact specifications. 87% utilization. Industry average is only 65% with manual cutting.
Vision AI reads invisible codes. Perfect sorting without human error.
Autonomous vehicles deliver components to 15 assembly stations continuously.
Human craftsmanship takes over. Machines cut, but artisans assemble.
Each edge beveled to 45 degrees, the mark of quality craftsmanship.
Adhesive application precise to 0.1 millimeters. Too much bleeds, too little fails. 30 seconds at 50 psi, a molecular bond stronger than the leather itself. AI Vision inspects 200 features per product. Defect rate below 0.1%.
Laser engraving permanent and precise. Brand authentication embedded forever. Italian hardware, Swiss precision. Even the smallest clasp costs more than mass market materials.
From farm to finished product, Each wallet represents 48 hours of processing. The laboratory, where luxury claims are scientifically verified.
Tensile strength must exceed 15 megapascals. This batch tests at 18.
Color must endure years of use. Accelerated testing simulates 5 years in 5 hours.
Fiber structure reveals everything. Proper tanning visible at 400x magnification.
50,000 flex cycles, equivalent to 10 years of daily use.
Luxury demands protection. Water resistance prevents buyer's remorse.
European luxury standards are strictest. Our frog leather exceeds every requirement.
Each batch certified. Full traceability from farm to finished product. Packaging must match product. The unboxing experience is part of luxury. Italian packaging supplier. The box alone costs more than mass market wallets.
Every detail considered, from serial number to complimentary leather care.
Multi-layer authentication, protecting brand integrity and consumer trust.
Distribution packaging, luxury products traveling to 47 countries.
Destination sorting. Asia, Europe, Americas each take separate routes. Automated logistics. Right product, right destination, perfect timing.
742 confirmed. Seal good. Final verification. Human oversight catches what automation might miss.
Production complete. Now begins the final journey to luxury retailers worldwide.
Before any product ships, it faces tests more rigorous than actual use.
100,000 abrasion cycles. Testing reveals if quality claims are real or marketing. Extreme conditions test, from Arctic cold to desert heat in hours.
500 hours of UV equals 5 years in sunlight. Testing if black stays black.
Luxury lifestyle testing. Red wine, coffee, ink, all must clean without trace.
Edges fail first in poor products. Quality shows in the details.
Coastal environments are harshest. Salt spray reveals cheap hardware immediately. 10,000 zipper cycles. Most users won't reach this in a lifetime. Dye migration ruins designer bags. Our process prevents color transfer completely.
Consistency matters. Uniform thickness means predictable cutting and perfect products.
European chemical safety standards, strictest in world. We test at 1/4 the legal limit.
Banned azo dyes still commerce in cheap products. Not here.
Natural material means environmental responsibility. Synthetic leather persists for centuries.
Blockchain-level traceability. Every product's complete history accessible in seconds. We don't just meet luxury standards. We test against the brands themselves. Real use simulation reveals truth. Does it age gracefully or fall apart?
242 individual tests passed. Certification permits luxury market entry.
Authorization granted. Products now cleared for shipment to luxury retailers globally.
50,000 square meters of automated storage. Every product precisely tracked.
Computer assigns optimal storage. Fast-moving products closest to shipping. Vertical storage maximizes space. Robots never forget a location.
Storage capacity, 2 million units, each retrievable in 90 seconds.
Orders from Paris, Tokyo, New York, all processed simultaneously.
Every order double-checked. Luxury retailers tolerate 0 errors.
Each luxury retailer has unique requirements. We adapt to every specification.
Packaging represents us to retailers. Professionalism in every detail.
Consolidation reduces shipping costs. Efficiency benefits everyone in the chain.
Wrapped and ready, these pallets will travel 10,000 kilometers. 20 trucks daily, each departure scheduled to minute precision.
Move it tight against the wall there, watch the gap.
Strategic loading, weight distribution affects fuel efficiency and product protection.
A shifted load can destroy $250,000. Proper securing is mandatory.
This driver will deliver to 3 luxury retailers across 2 countries.
Sealed and documented, any tampering will be immediately evident. From frog farm to luxury boutique, each product carries the mark of precision.
And this is how modern factories produce luxury frog leather from start to finish.